In many cultures, the hummingbird is revered as a sacred messenger, embodying the spiritual essence of joy, resilience, and agility. Its ability to hover in place and dart in any direction mirrors the importance of adaptability in life's journey. Spiritually, the hummingbird teaches us to savor the sweetness of the present moment, finding lightness even in adversity. Despite its delicate appearance, it undertakes epic migrations, symbolizing unyielding determination. Observing the hummingbird's dance reminds us to approach challenges with grace, embrace change, and let our spirits soar with optimism.